Module 3. CCTV Cameras, Components, and Technologies. 1. Module Overview. CCTV cameras are the backbone of surveillance systems, functioning as the eyes that capture and transmit live images or recordings. In this module, you will gain an in-depth understanding of various camera types, their internal components, operating principles, technological classifications, and how they integrate into both traditional CCTV systems and modern smart automation setups. CCTV cameras differ based on design and form factor, bullet dome, PTZ, box cameras. Technology used, analog, IP, wireless. Application environment, indoor, outdoor, low light, high risk, industrial. Special features, infrared night vision, motion detection, artificial intelligence, thermal, imaging, vandal resistance, etc. Understanding these distinctions equips a professional to design and install surveillance solutions tailored to different security needs, from a small retail shop to a large smart city project. 2. Types of CCTV cameras. A. Analog cameras. Traditional cameras that transmit video via coaxial cables to DVRs. Lower resolution compared to digital/IP. Cost-effective and easy to set up. Still used in legacy systems and rural/low-budget installations. B. IP cameras, network cameras, transmit digital video over Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Higher resolution, HD, Full HD, 4K, and beyond. Can be integrated into smart networks and cloud-based storage. Enable features like AI analytics, facial recognition, and remote monitoring via apps. C. PTZ cameras, pan-tilt zoom. Motorized movement for 360-degree coverage. Zoom functionality, optical plus digital. Ideal for monitoring large open spaces, stadiums, airports, city centers. D. Dome cameras compact, dome-shaped housing, discreet and vandal-resistant, often used indoors in offices, malls, and public spaces. E. Bullet cameras, long and cylindrical design, highly visible, acts as a deterrent. Weather-resistant, best for outdoor use. F. Thermal cameras. Detect infrared radiation heat signatures, useful in military, border control, industrial safety, and fire detection. G. Wireless cameras transmit via Wi-Fi or other wireless protocols. Easy to install, flexible placement. Dependence on network connectivity may be vulnerable to hacking if unsecured. 3. Key components of CCTV cameras. Every camera consists of a combination of hardware and software elements that ensure image capture, processing, and transmission. The main components include image sensor CCD, charge-coupled device, and CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Determines image quality, sensitivity to light, and overall resolution. Lens fixed or varifocal lens. Controls focus, field of view, and clarity. Wide-angle lenses for general monitoring. Telephoto lenses for distance capture. IR, EDS, infrared light-emitting diodes. Allow night vision in low-light conditions. Range varies 10 meters to 300 meters. Housing/enclosure protects against dust, water, and vandalism. Ratings like IP66/IP67 for weatherproofing. Processor/chipset handles video compression, H.264, H.265. Integrates features like motion detection, face recognition, and video analytics. Connectivity ports, BNC for analog. RJ45, Ethernet for IP. Wi-Fi modules for wireless. Power supply, 12 volts DC, 24 volts AC, or PoE, power over Ethernet for IP cameras. 4. CCTV technologies and advancements. CCTV has evolved dramatically with the growth of smart automation and artificial intelligence. HDTVI/AHD/HDCVI, enhanced analog video technologies supporting HD over coaxial. PoE, power over Ethernet, simplifies cabling for IP cameras. Cloud video surveillance, remote storage, access, and management. AI and analytics, smart motion detection, facial recognition, object tracking, license plate recognition. ANPR/LPR. Integration with IoT. Cameras connected to smart home/office systems. Motion triggers lights, alarms, doors, etc. Thermal plus AI detect unusual temperature spikes used in fire safety and pandemic monitoring. 5. Practical applications of CCTV systems. Residential security, smart doorbell cameras, indoor monitoring. Commercial use, retail theft prevention, warehouse monitoring. Industrial use, monitoring hazardous areas, automation of safety alerts. Public safety, traffic control, law enforcement surveillance, smart city monitoring. Healthcare, patient monitoring, hospital perimeter security. 6. Challenges in CCTV technology. Bandwidth and storage management in high-resolution IP systems. Cybersecurity risks, hacking, unauthorized access. High initial setup cost for smart systems. Privacy and ethical considerations in public surveillance.